god, I look so freaking good. I look super good. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lacey and I'm back here with another video. In today's video, I just wanted to catch up with you guys, see if you guys like a little girl talk, a little catch up what the fuck has been going on basically this whole year in a span of like 10 minutes while I do my makeup really quick. But I missed you guys. I wanted to come back on and just sit down, get comfortable and talk to you guys because all year I've just been ripping and running around, going out the country, going out the states. Like, I just wanted to sit down and just talk to you guys about what's been going up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into it. Into the camera all cute. Hello, 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 hello. Ooh. Oh my god. This is so strange for me. Anyways, I'm sure I probably have already made my intro. Oh my gosh, it has been so long since I just sat down and did a video for you guys. But hey, y'all, and what is poppin'? Oh my gosh, my hands are super ashy. Oh shit. My hands are just too ashy right now. Hey you guys, I know it's been a while since I just sat down and like talked and gave you guys an update and everything like that. So I figured, why not? Let me actually bring you guys a little closer. I have this really ghetto type of setup, so excuse that. I've been meaning to come on here, come on YouTube and give you guys like a whole life update. I feel like this whole year I have just been super off with my YouTube. Like, it's no hiding it, no denying it. I have been off with my YouTube, okay? So let me give you guys like a quick life update really quick because it only takes me like 5 minutes to do my makeup. So this will probably be really fast. But if you guys are new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name is Lacey. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I promise you guys, I promise I'm back and I'm not going nowhere, okay? Period. But anyways, let me get into the tea. So as you guys probably saw, starting off this year, I have just been, somehow I just manifested traveling. And when I say traveling, the first like 6-7 months of this year, I have literally flown somewhere every month, and I didn't realize. I had saw a post that said I wanted to travel like every month or something like that. Like, I act like I'm fine, but deep down I really want to travel every month. Somehow I manifested that and I ended up traveling every single month. And it was so draining to try to like come back and get my life together, unpack, everything's a mess, I'm a mess, I have work, like, it is currently Tuesday, July 27th, 8:43 a.m. Now, y'all, I have a lot going on. Look at my room. I went to, y'all see my room? I went to Jamaica and California this month, so don't mind that. But right now it's currently Tuesday. It was just so much. Even though all my trips were fun this year, it has just been a lot, and editing and all that stuff. It's just been a lot. So that's one reason why I fell off from YouTube. And then another reason I fell off from YouTube is because I feel like I just kind of worked so hard to get monetized on this platform. And then I finally got monetized. I started making some money on my videos and stuff like that. And then I went through this thing where YouTube was like, they have to verify my address or verify my PIN in order for me to get paid or something like that. Long story short, I just never received my PIN in the mail. Like, I kept on requesting for it to get resent. It keeps saying it's gonna take like 4 to 6 weeks. And I just have not seen anything in the mail. So that's kind of frustrating. I don't really know what to do. Hopefully I get that figured out, but nonetheless, I still want to continue with YouTube because I genuinely do like it. I like making content. But yeah, those are really my main two excuses why I kind of just like took the back seat, was because number one, I'm like, well dang, I can't even, you know, I wanted to kind of like save the type of content that I was gonna do until I got my PIN, but that just kept being pushed back and pushed back. So I'm just like, whatever, at this point, I just wanna do what I do, okay, period. What else has been going on? My business has been picking up so much. Running a business, I'm still full-time at my job. So yeah, life, I guess. It's just been a lot going on. Oh, and then girl, on top of that, I've been trying to move. So that's been one of my priorities this year, was focusing on trying to move. I had a whole plan in place and in action. However, I was not prepared for the market to do what it do. And by that, I feel like a lot of people look at Georgia and Atlanta as like an affordable place to stay, and like you can make a good living out here, XYZ, which I agree to a certain extent, but at the same time, everything is just taxed right now. Like the housing market is up, I wanna say like 17%. And so when I was spending so much time earlier this year looking for houses, touring houses, putting in offers on houses and everything, so that process was just really frustrating because I would either get outbid or like everything is just marked up. Like hypothetically speaking, if I was looking for a house that's like $500,000, it's like marked up to like 580 to like 600K. Like that's like the markup you'll see on houses. That's like a growing thing that I had to kind of like learn and stuff like that. I still stay at home with my parents. However, I have been paying rent here. I have been paying rent here ever since I pretty much graduated high school. It's like, if I'm gonna be paying rent here, I might as well pay rent somewhere else, y'all. You know, you feel me? Yeah, to keep long story short, life is just life. I'm 23. I feel like I've just been trying to figure things out, figure out a good balance with life and just like where I wanna be, where I wanna take myself, and like, you know, just doing thing. But I did tell myself I want to step it up. Like I feel like I have so much potential. I can see myself going to so many places. I don't know, I'm just really excited. I feel like my year being 23, I just see things, I was able to see things from like a whole different lens. I feel like this year it kind of went by so freaking fast. Like I feel like I saw this year through like a different type of lens. I'm gonna probably talk about this like at the end of the year, but I feel like this year I was able to kind of like see growth because I'm only 23. I think that's the thing. I think this year with me turning 23, so it's like halfway between turning 25 and halfway being 20. So like I feel like I'm in a stage where I'm still on my younger years, like fresh out of my teens still kinda, and just like growing into a woman and just trying to figure out the type of woman I want to become and just, you know, all that good stuff. I looked at my work schedule today and I realized I'm working for the next 2 weeks. Like today is Monday and I'm working Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I'm off the following Friday and Saturday. So I'm like, you know what, instead of complaining about how I have no time to do anything, let me just take today to just knock out doing 2 videos and just do what it do, because I have no more room for excuses. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Hello. Yes. All right, how do we look? Anyways, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I know it was like really quick and really girl what the fuck, but basically I made this video to say I'm back, bitches, and I miss you guys, and I can't wait for you guys to see all this new content that I have coming up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.